Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the problem of P0303 on Volvo S40 2010. So first of all, what's the problem? First, car shaking. Even at idle, you can significantly feel car shaking. Second, the speed is very hard to speed up. When reach above 20 miles per hour, there's a red alert show up, reducing speed or shift up. Third, check engine light is on, and let's code P0303. Actually, this code is much easier to fix. If the code is P0300, that's very hard to fix. Over here, 03 means it's a cylinder 3 has a problem. If it's 00, any cylinder has a problem, will cause the problem, will cause this code. Of course, you should have some experience, and you should have some basic tools. You should be able to use scanner to read the code, reset the code, and of course you need to use a socket set and some screwdriver. So when I use the code reading, it is P0303. As I explained earlier, this read with cylinder 3 means fire. So if it's 00, there will be any cylinder. It's much hard to fix.
Papa, there's a hair dryer. What time is it?
I don't know.
Check it out. Kitchen.
8:30.
8:30. We can still play.
First of all, I recommend you to read this video. This video will show you funny detail how to remove the cover, how to change the spark plug. My car is very similar to this one, so I use this video as a tutorial, as guidance. Before you remove the cover or before do anything, I recommend you to take a lot of picture, just in case it's hard to put back. The picture can help you to remember original status. For example, for this one, you look at it here. So there's a clip, there's a two clip. You can disconnect it from here, and when you put it back, it's slightly hard. I will explain a little bit later. Anyway, I recommend you to take a few pictures before you do anything. Basically, you need to take off the 1, 2, 3, 6 screw at this side, and the 2 screw at the back side, and also there's a 2 screw over here to remove this piece, and you need to disconnect this sensor and disconnect this pipe. Just unscrew this one and you can disconnect this pipe. So over here, the cover has been removed. This cover, and you can use something to hang up. Just move away, but you don't have to completely move away. You just open up and use something to hang on the top. That's enough. So Volvo S40 has 5 cylinder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this order. This is VVT. And again, before you do anything, it's better to take a picture to show the status. Okay, so for each ignition coil, there's one screw to fix, and there's a cable and the wire. And so this is the first one, this is the third one. So the problem is how to fix or how to do diagnose. That's the most important thing. So a possible reason would be, ignition coil, spark plug, or circuit connection, ECM. Circuit connection is not that common. ECM, normally it wouldn't be a problem of ECM. Of course, the most easiest way just has a visual check. If any connection problem, you just fix it, and that's the most easiest way. But mostly, I would say it should be related with ignition coil or spark plug. And ignition coil took about between $60 up to $70. The spark plug is just a few dollars. So first of all, you have to figure out what's the exact problem. Remember, we have a 5-cylinder, and for example, this code means cylinder 3 has a problem. So we can swap the ignition coil between cylinder 1 and cylinder 3. So if code change to 0, 1, that means ignition coil is a problem. The logic is fairly straightforward. Otherwise, it should be if you swap the ignition coil, doesn't change anything, means ignition coil should be okay. I think this is the logic is pretty straightforward, and there's a high chance it will be spark plug or circuit. So in my case, I just swap a cylinder 1 and a cylinder 3. Normally, for 5-cylinder, it's better to swap between odd number or even number. That means if number 1 has a problem, you can switch. You can exchange with third one, or if the second one has a problem, it's better to exchange with the fourth one. So you need to just exchange these two and clear the code, then restart the car a couple times and scan the code. And if ignition coil has a problem, you should be able to see the difference of the code. Okay, over here I will show you. Let's just kind of a small story. It's very hard to remove this cable. In my case, I spent almost an hour for this one. That's really very frustrating. Anyway, I found the problem is pretty easy to disconnect. So you use a piece of metal and slide inside this piece and slightly lift up. Then you just pull out. This cable. Actually, it's very easy to pull out. If you find very hard to pull out, that means you didn't find the trick. So remember the trick is just use this metal piece to insert into. So as I explained earlier, I found the code change from 03 to 01. That means ignition coil has a problem, and so I go to AutoZone to buy one. And this one just just one available in stock, so just pick up one. And after replace, everything is fine. Finally, I will say a couple words about the air pipe. So look at it here. This is the original picture I took, and finally, when I try to put it back at this side, actually it's very hard to put it back because there's kind of thread. So how to put this back? You have to lose this clamp tool, and you rotate this one, just kind of a screw because there's a thread at the bottom. So you just rotate inside. When this side is in position, then you can use the clamp. Just fix the clamp, both clamp. In this way, you can install. And when I fix this problem, actually I kind of trigger a new code. That's because when I reconnect this cable and up here this cable, I didn't connect very well, so it will trigger another code. It's a P0303. That's caused by the connection. So you have to make sure the connection of these ones are really good. Okay, thank you. If you have any comment, just leave there, and if I have any question, I can address if I look at the website. Okay, thank you.